Vrksasana, tree pose, a guide to balance and focus in your yoga practice. Vrksasana, also known as tree pose, is a cornerstone in yoga that emphasizes balance and grounded strength. This tutorial explores the benefits, anatomy, and practice of this powerful pose with an instructional lens, helping you incorporate it effectively into your routine for physical and mental resilience. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned yogi, Vrksasana offers a profound opportunity for self-awareness and growth. Vrksasana, or tree pose, is a standing balance posture that embodies the steadiness and rooted nature of a tree. It strengthens your legs, enhances focus, and fosters a deep sense of grounding, helping you align your body and mind. By maintaining balance and stillness, tree pose cultivates patience, mindfulness, and concentration. This pose not only offers physical benefits, but also creates a space for mental clarity and emotional calm, making it a vital element of any yoga practice. Key benefits of Vrksasana: enhances balance and stability. The challenge of standing on one leg improves coordination, strengthens your core, and sharpens proprioception, awareness of body positioning. Builds focus and mental clarity. Holding the pose requires sustained attention, quieting the mind and promoting mindfulness. Strengthens the legs and core. Engaging the standing leg and core muscles develops strength, increases stability, and improves endurance. Each part of your body works together in Vrksasana to create a steady, balanced posture. Paying attention to these physical cues ensures proper alignment and prevents injury. Standing leg. The standing leg is your foundation. Press firmly into the mat, keeping the knee slightly unlocked. Engage your thigh, calf, and foot muscles to create strength and stability. Lifted leg and foot placement. Position the lifted leg with the knee bent and the sole of the foot pressing gently into the inner thigh or calf of the standing leg. Always avoid placing the foot directly on the knee joint to prevent strain. Hips and core. Keep your hips level and facing forward while engaging your core muscles. This alignment stabilizes your pelvis and supports the spine. Spine and shoulders. Lengthen your spine by reaching upward through the crown of your head. Relax your shoulders while keeping your chest open to allow for smooth, steady breath. Arms and hands. Arms can be positioned overhead with palms together, Anjali Mudra, or at the chest in prayer position. Choose a variation that feels balanced and natural to you. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Begin in Tadasana, mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together or hip-width apart. Ground evenly through both feet and take a moment to settle your breath and focus. 2. Transition to Vrksasana. Tree pose. Shift your weight onto your left foot and bring your right foot to rest on your inner left thigh or calf, avoiding the knee. Find your focal point to maintain balance. 3. Hold the pose. Keep your core engaged and arms extended overhead or in prayer position at your heart center. Breathe deeply and find stillness in the pose. Shift weight onto one leg. Choose one standing leg and press it firmly into the mat while keeping it strong and active. Maintain a small bend in the knee to avoid locking it. Lift the opposite foot. Slowly lift your opposite foot off the ground, bending the knee and guiding it outward to open the hip. Place the foot on the standing leg. Gently position the sole of your lifted foot on the inner thigh or calf of the standing leg. Ensure the placement feels stable and avoid the knee joint. Engage the core and lift the spine. Draw your belly inward and upward to engage the core, supporting your spine. Keep your pelvis level while elongating your posture. Position the arms and focus your gaze. Choose an arm position, either in prayer position at the chest or extended overhead. Fix your gaze, drishti, on a steady point ahead to maintain balance. Hold and breathe. Inhale deeply and hold the pose for 3 to 5 full breaths, or as long as you feel steady. If you lose your balance, calmly reset and try again. Practice tips. Root your weight down through the standing leg while imagining energy rising through your spine. Keep your focus soft and your breath steady, even during moments of instability. Tree pose is a powerful way to develop both physical and mental resilience. Through regular practice, you can enjoy the following benefits: improved balance and coordination. Proprioceptive awareness grows as Vrksasana sharpens your body's ability to find stability on one leg. Strengthened legs and core. Engaging your standing leg and core muscles builds functional strength essential for everyday movement. Mental focus and clarity. In cultivating balance, tree pose encourages mindfulness, helping to quiet mental distractions. Patience and inner resilience. As balance often fluctuates, this pose teaches perseverance and adaptability during practice and beyond. Vrksasana can be seamlessly woven into various yoga flows. Follow these ideas to enhance your practice. Start as a warm-up pose. Begin your session with tree pose to prepare the mind and body for additional balancing postures. Incorporate into standing sequences. Use Vrksasana after poses like Warrior 2 to challenge alignment and strengthen your focus. End with grounding. Conclude your practice with tree pose to reconnect with your breath and ground your energy. Avoid these typical mistakes to get the most from Vrksasana. Foot or knee joint. Always place the foot above or below the knee joint, never on it, to prevent strain. Imbalanced hips. Engage your core and press the lifted foot against the inner standing leg to keep the hips square. Hunching or overarching the back. Relax your shoulders and lengthen your spine to keep the posture aligned and relaxed. Vrksasana is adaptable to individual preferences and skill levels. For beginners, place the toes of the lifted foot on the mat while resting the heel against the ankle for added stability. For an advanced challenge, close your eyes or raise your arms overhead to test your balance further. With wall support, use a wall for extra stability if needed, especially when beginning to explore the pose. Consider these questions as you reflect on practicing tree pose. How does Vrksasana influence your ability to concentrate? What aspect of balance in this pose do you find the most challenging, and how can you work on it? How might enhanced focus and stability from this pose impact your life off the mat? By incorporating tree pose into your yoga practice with intention, you can cultivate a deeper connection to strength, stability, and mindfulness, both on and off the mat.